day, everyone. First, I will answer this question. Identify at least six characteristics of valuable information. First, accurate, correct, error-free, and reliable. Two, relevant, directly related to the purpose or problem at hand. Third, timely, available when needed and up to date. Fourth, complete, contains all necessary details. Five, reliable, come from a trustworthy and credible source. And six, the last, clear but organized and easy to interpret. So, business process versus business system. Many people use business system and processes interchangeably while they are related. There is a distinct difference between the two. Business system definition. At their most basic, business systems are a series of connected processes that may or may not include technology. They break down into four key pillars: planning, people, processes, and technology. Business systems are generally more complex than processes because they include the execution of multiple processes and as they mature, often utilize technology to execute those processes more efficiently and with fast less error. Processes definition. Processes, at their most basic, are a series of documented steps or tasks. Processes, like systems, may or may not include technology, which can often add to the confusion. Processes are often less complex than systems because they are created to move you to the next process or to achieve a specific outcome. The difference. You may be thinking, so what's the difference? And if that's you, great question. The easiest way to tell the difference between business system and processes is by looking at some example of each. When we're talking about business systems, we're often referencing customer relationship management, CRM systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, quality management systems, QMS, inventory management systems, safety management system, human capital management system, and etc. That said, we could also be talking about content creation systems, sales and marketing enablement enablement systems, e-commerce system, and a host of other systems you may find throughout your business. On the other hand, when we're talking about processes, we're often referencing things like generating an estimate, entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating peak tickets, counting inventory, packing orders for shipments, quality inspection, safety audits, creating a piece of content, and a host of other activities that needs to be completed throughout your business. The easiest way to understand how they work together is by looking at the individual processes you and your team are executing to see how they are put together to form a more complex system. So, for example, let's take the process of taking an order from a customer. Before we take an order, do we need to create an estimate? If so, what's the estimating process entail? If not, what do we do with the order after we've taken it from the customer? Where does it go next? There are plenty more questions that could be asked, but you can probably already see how the process taking an order is just a part of a larger system that executes multiple individual processes to achieve the larger goal of driving growth of the business. Business systems are a series of connected processes that may or may not include technology. Processes are a series of document steps or tasks. Example of business system: customer relationship management, CRM, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, quality management system, QMS, inventory management system, and etc. Example of processes: generating an estimate, en- entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating peak tickets, counting inventory, packing order for shipments, and quality inspections. The easy ways to understand how they work together but are different is by looking at the individual processes you and your team are executing to see how they are part of series of processes that form a more complex system. So let's proceed to business intelligence versus business analytics. Making smart decisions, identifying problems, and being profitable demands methods and tools that turn data into actionable insights. Business intelligence (BI) and business analytics (BA) present data management solutions, while BI is often used as a foundation to answer complex questions. BA is more advanced. The two terms sound similar but serve different purposes. Understanding business intelligence versus business analytics is crucial to get the best form from your data. So here's the three characteristics. First term, in business intelligence, analyzes history and present to drive current business requirements. Business analytics analyzes historical data to drive current business. Second characteristic, application in business intelligence suitable for all large-scale companies. Business analytics suitable for all companies where productivity and future growth are the goals. Third characteristics is usage. For business intelligence, for present business operations, business analytics for future business operations. So what is business intelligence? Business intelligence is an infrastructure comprising strategies and technologies used in enterprise industries for collecting and analyzing the existing data that gives insights into the historical, present, and predictive events of business operation. BI gives comprehensive business metrics to support better decision making. BI frameworks present current, authentic, and visionary views of commercial operations. They mostly utilize the information gathered in an information stockroom or shop and sometimes operational information. Data is the foundation of business intelligence. Data warehouses provide the raw information that business intelligence needs. With a large supply of accurate data to populate dashboards, BI teams can identify trends and predict new ones, perform statistical analysis, and evaluate return on investment. Making data driven business intelligence decisions is only beneficial for the business with foundation of a reliable central repository of information. Is data warehousing part of BI? Usually, data warehousing is a significant part of an overarching BI architecture. Companies can have data warehouses that gather and store data. Then the data warehouses can pass the data to business intelligence software that analyzes the data and makes sense of it. It's possible to have business intelligence without a data warehouse, but the organization wouldn't have the holistic understanding of trends that come with a comprehensive data warehouse. What is the distinction between business intelligence and data warehouse? A data warehouse, which stores information, is distinct from business intelligence, which has more to do with analyzing and interacting with the data to make better decisions. What is business analytics? Business analytics is the use of strategies and technologies to explore and extract insights and performance from historical business information for successfully driving future business plans, meeting customer needs, and increasing productivity. It works on unused bits of knowledge and provides an understanding of business performance on the basis of information and measurable strategies. Key differences between business intelligence and business analytics. Now that you know the definition of two terms, let's explore a complete comparison of business intelligence versus business analytics. Current circumstances versus future events. The focus on the occurrence of events is the primary distinction between business intelligence versus business analytics, while BI concentrates on current and past events recorded in data, BA focuses mostly on what is more likely to happen in the future. The two practices have different timelines for applicating the results while using the same data. When your analysis concerns what is happening now and why business intelligence is your choice for data management, contrastingly, business analytics answers the question, what is likely to happen next? Use BI to form strategies for current situation and BA for strategies that would impact future operations. Structured data versus semi-structured data. BI applications are more suitable for structured data from enterprise applications like ERP and financial software system. It helps great insights from past financial transactions. Business analytics application suits both unstructured and semi-structured data, transform them into meaningful data before analysis, and then gets insights from what the data with through predictive analytics. Descriptive versus predictive approach. Business intelligence answers the two main questions. First, what has happened in the past, and second, what is happening now and why. It is descriptive and gives you detailed information. On the other hand, business analytics is mostly more about predictive analytics. It identifies patterns in business data, suggests why things are happening, and forecasts the likelihood of future events. Its goal is to predict future events based on what's already occurred. It helps formulate better decisions and be prepared accordingly. Reporting versus applying. Take viewing and reporting as another point of difference between business intelligence and versus business analytics. BI is simplified and has our data arranged into easily comprehensible reports that brief the viewer on what is happening. Interactive dashboards, charts, and easy to read reports are commonly used with results. Business analytics takes a step further and goes on reveal why things are happening by employing data application and statistical analysis. Analysis versus managers. When studying business intelligence versus business analytics, it is crucial to consider the end users. While BI tools present understandable data to accountants, managers, and marketers, etc., people without technical expertise. This information helps them make informed business decisions without needing the assistance of a data professional. Business intelligence requires basic math or calculating results, and the rest is done using BI software. It relies on the formulation of mathematical models, machine learning, querying, and artificial intelligence for proceedings. Business analytics is a little more demanding. It requires more information to parse and interpret useful information. Thus, it can efficiently be handled by data analysts with an analytics skill set who know how to build machine learning capabilities and have sound software application knowledge. So, conclusion. What I have learned about the difference between BA and BI. So, here's my answer. Business analytics is everything about digging into past business data to determine what is happening as well as what could happen in the future. It assists in planning, improving productivity, and ensuring that we are deliver what customers really desire. This approach involves three essential components, such as descriptive analytics, which states what actually occurred, predictive analytics, which makes assumptions about the most probable occurrence, and prescriptive analytics, which prescribes the most suitable actions to achieve the most optimal outcomes. Conversely, business intelligence is concerned with gathering and analyzing available data to learn how the business has performed previously and how it is doing at the moment. This includes reports, dashboards, and metrics to assist us in making superior decisions.